If you're thinking about buying a home in 2026, you've probably heard all the noise. Prices are crashing. Rates are dropping. Now's the time. Wait another year. It'll get cheaper. But here's what no one's saying. The market isn't moving as one. It's splitting in two. And if you don't see that split, you'll make the wrong move, no matter what rates do. Let me show you what actually matters right now. First, forget the headlines. Metro Vancouver's average price is meaningless, because while downtown condos are sitting empty, single-family homes in real neighborhoods are quietly holding value. Why? Because people still need places to live, not speculate. And in 2026, that means location, usability, and community matter more than ever. Second, watch the inventory, not just the interest rate. We've got over 15,000 homes on the market, a 10-year high. But they're not evenly spread. Most are condos in high-rises or suburban townhomes. Move-in-ready houses on quiet streets? Still scarce. That's why bidding wars haven't vanished. They've just moved. Third, know where change is coming. In 2026, the Vancouver Villages Plan rolls out in 17 neighborhoods, from Fraser and 33rd to McDonald near 25th. These areas will add townhomes, cafes, walkable amenities without 40-story towers. If you buy here now, you're not just getting a house. You're getting early access to a reborn neighborhood before prices catch up. Fourth, don't assume West Side means astronomical prices. Look at Marpole, $2 million to $2.8 million for a detached home, 12 minutes to downtown, 10 to YVR. Or Killarney, massive 50-foot lots with 6,000 square feet for under $3 million. These aren't compromises. They're smart trades. Space for buzz, peace for prestige. Fifth, and this is critical, your timeline matters more than the market cycle. If you're buying to stay 10+ years, short-term dips won't define your outcome. If you're buying to flip or gamble, this isn't your market. 2026 rewards intention, not speculation. So what should you do? Stop waiting for the perfect bottom. It doesn't exist. Define your non-negotiables. Backyard? School catchment? Walkable coffee? Focus on neighborhoods with real residents, not just renters or investors. Get pre-approved, but don't let fear of rates paralyze you. Because here's the truth. The best time to buy isn't when prices are lowest. It's when the home fits your life. I've helped families find that fit through crashes, booms, and everything in between. In 2026, it's not about timing the market. It's about choosing the right place to build your life. I'm Ken, a Vancouver realtor who believes real estate isn't about square footage. It's about where you come home to. If you're serious about buying in 2026 and you want to make sense of this strange market we're in, DM me 2026. Because in this market, clarity beats prediction every time.